Let me explain what's going on with this thing. They have this broken up by technical and management, architects, analysts, and auditors. Those are the main categories. And let me just explain each one. So the IAT means Information Assurance Technical. That's basic technical troubleshooting. It might be designing or configuring systems. These certifications are needed if you're a level 1. A level 1 is basically like a help desk person. This is a person who has basically a one-on-one relationship to one customer at a time. Somebody calls in and says, hey, I have a trouble ticket. That means like something broken and they're not connected to the internet and they happen to be on the 4th floor. You call them online. Maybe they're, you're a remote worker or whatever. But this is a first line of defense for people fixing computers. Help desk, customer service, field technician 1, that kind of thing. They're expecting you to have an A+ certification as listed here, a CCNA security. That's a very hard security. That's a very hard certificate. I don't know why they put this here. I didn't make this, so keep that in mind. Network Plus, CND, which I don't even know what that is, SSCP. One of those things, that's IAT level 1. And remember, IAT level 1 is a help desk person.